Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to have spirulina powder easily. Spirulina is a fantastic superfood, packed with nutrients. To start, simply take about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of the powder each day. The easiest way to incorporate it is by mixing it into your favorite beverages or soft foods. This simple step helps you begin enjoying its many health benefits without any fuss. One of the best ways to enjoy spirulina is by blending it into smoothies. The strong, earthy flavor of spirulina can be easily masked by combining it with sweet fruits such as bananas, mangoes, or pineapple. You can also mix it into creamy yogurt or applesauce. These methods ensure a smooth, palatable experience, making your daily dose much more enjoyable. Beyond beverages, spirulina can be a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. Try incorporating it into homemade energy balls or protein bars for a healthy snack. You can also add a small amount to salad dressings, giving your greens an extra nutritional kick. For a fun twist, mix it into guacamole or hummus, which not only adds nutrients, but also a vibrant green color. Making spirulina a consistent part of your daily routine is key to experiencing its full benefits. Remember to store your spirulina powder in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency and freshness. With regular consumption, you can look forward to enjoying increased energy levels, enhanced immune support, and an overall improvement in your wellness journey. It's a simple habit with powerful rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.